Hello guys, welcome to the fifth section. In this section, we will basically talk about the network penetration testing. In this video, we will be focusing on the Wi-Fi security. We will also talk about the different Wi-Fi security standards. As you guys know that whenever we start up with the new section, we actually set up the lab environment. And the lab environment that we are going to use for this particular section is going to be fairly simple. Here we are going to make the use of Kali Linux 2018.4 that we have installed in the very first section. And second one is the USB Wi-Fi adapter that supports the monitor mode and packet injection. And the name of the USB Wi-Fi adapter that we are going to use is TP-Link WN722N. This is a single band USB Wi-Fi adapter which can only operate on 2.4 GHz frequency. So we will be able to perform the penetration testing on all the devices that are operating on 2.4 GHz frequency. This device is no longer in production, so you will not be able to buy this device. Instead of this, TP-Link is selling the version 3, which is having the different Wi-Fi chipset and doesn't support the monitor mode and packet injection. So you will have to buy some other USB Wi-Fi adapter. I will leave the link of some suggested USB Wi-Fi adapter that supports the monitor mode and packet injection in the resources file. There are mainly two types of modes exist in a USB Wi-Fi adapter. First one is the managed mode and second one is the monitor mode. Managed mode is also known as the simple mode on which every USB Wi-Fi adapter operates. Since every USB Wi-Fi adapter is capable of receiving the signal and it can also connect to a particular Wi-Fi. Apart from that, there is another special mode and that is known as the monitor mode. Monitor mode is also known as the special mode, which is not found in all the USB Wi-Fi adapter. And to be able to perform the attacks against any Wi-Fi router, you have to buy a USB Wi-Fi adapter that should support the monitor mode. Now the question comes, what is the functionality of the monitor mode? It basically captures all the packets that are roaming into the air. And it can also perform the packet injection. It means if I want to inject some packets into a router, then I can also do it with the help of monitor mode. So these were the two properties of the monitor mode. Here you can see guys, TP-Link WN722N is connected to my host operating system. Now what I will do is I will try to connect this USB Wi-Fi adapter directly to my Kali Linux 2018.4. For that I will head over to my Kali Linux. And here you can see guys, on the top left corner we have a button called player. Just click on it. And here you can see guys, we have a chipset named as Etherwise USB 2.0 WLAN. Now we will hover over this and simply click on connect. Now this will disconnect the TP-Link WN722N from the host operating system and it will be directly connected to the VMware. Now I will simply type in iwconfig. And here you can see guys, I have three interfaces. First one is the ETS0, second one is the loopback interface, and third one is the WLAN0. And here you can see guys, right now the mode is managed and its transmission power is 20 dBm. Now what we will try to do is, we will try to turn on the monitor mode on this USB Wi-Fi adapter. For that we will make the use of command called airmon ng start WLAN0. So it will enable the monitor mode on WLAN0 interface. Now we will hit enter. And here you can see guys, monitor mode has been enabled. Now I will simply do the iwconfig again. And my WLAN0 card has been vanished and it has been converted into WLAN0 mon. And its mode is also monitor. The transmission power is still same, 20 dBm, and frequency on which the monitor mode enabled is 2.4 GHz. So this was the very first video in which I told you how you can set up the lab environment for performing the wireless penetration testing. And not only that, I have also told you that how you can enable the monitor mode on a USB Wi-Fi adapter. If you want to buy this USB Wi-Fi adapter, or maybe better than this USB Wi-Fi adapter, then the purchase links are given in the resources file. Don't forget to check it out. Thanks for watching this video guys.